Once upon a time, in the serene realms of Cherupushpagiri, now known as Pushpagiri, a significant chapter in the history of Malankara was written. It was the sacred dwelling, the Aramana, of the esteemed late Jacob Mar Theophilos, a holy figure whose legacy resounded through the annals of time. The revered walls of Pushpagiri bore witness to the ardent endeavors of these visionary leaders, setting the stage for a journey that would deeply impact the region. As the epicenter of their collaborative efforts, Pushpagiri transcended its mere existence as a residence into what we see now as Pushpagiri group of institutions, which kept expanding up to Pushpagiri Research Center and the Pushpagiri Center for Virology. Presently, it stands acknowledged as the exclusive research center under the esteemed Kerala University for Health and Allied Sciences. The narrative of Pushpagiri did not halt at its historical origins. It branched out into a myriad of medical departments, each serving as a testament to the institution's unwavering commitment to the advancement of knowledge and healthcare. From general medicine to neurosurgery, from cardiology to geriatric medicine, Pushpagiri emerged as an illuminating beacon of healing and erudition. The tale took an exhilarating turn as the institutions under the Pushpagiri Medical Society embarked on scaling new heights, introducing postgraduate and super specialty programs. The once unassuming hospital now proudly boasts an impressive capacity of 900 beds, symbolizing its resolute dedication to providing comprehensive healthcare. The vision of Pushpagiri is encapsulated in a simple yet profound mantra: "We care, God cures." This reverberates through its mission, a mission to contribute to a knowledge-driven society, fostering abundant life. Through the power of science and technology, Pushpagiri strives to enhance healthcare not only for its immediate community, but also for the state, the nation, and the world at large. And so, the story of Pushpagiri perseveres, an epic of healing, enlightenment, and an unwavering commitment to the well-being of humanity, echoing the timeless adage that within their caring hands, God's cure find its way.